So now let's say I want to subscribe to a calendar from the web. Let's say, for example, I'm using something like a Google Calendar right here, and I want to share this out with my Outlook calendar. In that case, I can go around and select out the calendar that I want to share. Like over here, I have the TutorTube calendar right here. So I'm just going to go around onto options and then on to sharing and settings right here. Once I do that, I get the sharing settings of this calendar, and I'm going to go around and scroll down, and here you can see the secret address in iCal format. So let's just go around and then enable this, so you can see that you got an address that you can copy right here. So once you copy that around right here, you can actually go around and add that address in over here. So I can add a calendar, and I can go for subscribe from web. And over here, I can paste that iCal calendar right here. So now I'm going to go around and say imported calendar TutorTube right here, just like this. And I can give it a color, and I can give it a charm as well. And I can add the calendar to my calendar or at the calendar right here. So I'm just going to go around onto my calendars right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and click on import, and the calendar import is in progress, as you can see. So once that is imported, you can see the calendar right here. And then as I were to show all, you can see the imported calendar over here, which is right over here. Let me just go around and disable this, and you can see the calendar over here. I can view the month view as well, and I can view the work week, and then just like this. So you can go around and see, and then see all of the events getting loaded. So now as you go around, you can see that there's only one event, but if there's more event, all of them will started to be loaded. And that is how you can subscribe to calendar from the web inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.